Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you get achievement traits in Worldbox? Well, it's really not that simple to get achievement traits, and I'm just getting you guys to get a feel and the idea, especially if you're a newbie. Just go ahead and spawn an individual here. Alfie Sarah, that's a silly name. So, let's just create. You're going to have an adventurer like this one, and you're going to basically let him venture out and experience stuff like slaying demons and stuff and all of that, and that way you could get traits, especially if you're a noob here. And it's in the Discord community as well. You have to follow those steps, but I'm just going to lay out a couple of blueprints here on where to start, because playing this game as a noob is completely frustrating and you don't know where to start. So kind of gets messy sometimes. Let's make him fight off skeletons here. I protected him with a shield. So when he slays these skeletons, I believe he's going to get a trait here. Let's check out his trait. So, yep, the bloodlust, I believe. Just go on and follow him throughout his adventures, making sure he doesn't actually die. Okay? That's the goal here. And you need to follow him for days on end. Make him face demons, and he just ends up dying. He was killed by the demon. So that's the hard thing about getting these traits, is that you actually have to spawn another one here. Another adventurer. You have to really be careful of him not dying. So if the opponents are too over OP for him at the time, at his level, he's going to be end up getting killed. Let's just check his stats here. Put a little bit. There's a little bit of health. Oh no, there's a little bit of health on the demon here as well, but that's fine. So he's already destroyed the demon here, and as you can see, he has the demon sword and the traits here. Ambitious. So that's it. Just slay things, you know? That's how you get achievements from the start. Just go ahead and play the game, and at a certain level there's certain things that you can do, and at a certain level there's certain things that you can't do, that you need to attain a more higher level to do so. Okay, let's make him fight a wizard here. Let's try to see if let's make this wizard incredibly weak so that he'd stand a chance. Let's see if he stands a chance with our wizard. Okay. Let's push the time off. Oh, that's it. He's destroyed the wizard. There are 4 types of wizard here, so as you can see, you now got the Mage Slayer. So we have 4 traits now: Burnt Face, Miracle Born, and Ambitious. So that's basically how you get traits, guys. So I hope this is making a lot more sense now, because a lot of you guys think that traits can be bought. No, they cannot be bought. Spare yourself the time of having to research that, because I've tried. Okay, I've been playing this game for like 4 years now. Ever since I can remember. You cannot buy traits. There's this misconception, people, just trying to buy their way out of situations. Let's try to make him fight a tumor here. Let's see if this actually gives our adventurer a trait here. Let's make this tumor weak a little bit. Off he goes fighting. He destroyed the tumor at an instant. This flaming sword that he got from that demon. Nope, no new trait. That's it. You just have to like explore islands, and make your own kingdoms, battle. That's it. Fight dragon. Is he strong enough to actually fight a dragon here? Let's just try. Might end up getting killed. Let's make our dragon extremely weak for our human. So these are the traits. Once you get a lot of traits, these are the traits that I've accomplished, and 4 years of progress in these traits. So once you have these traits, you can just sort of like give any creatures the traits that you've achieved. Like plague, I have a trait. I've achieved the plague a long time ago. And you can basically now edit their trait. There's still a lot. Look at the black ones. There's still a lot of traits that I haven't explored yet. I haven't found out yet. It's probably a handful. But so far, I have probably 80% of the traits covered. Sprinkle it over our dragon here. He doesn't seem to care about our adventurer here. What the hell's wrong with you, dragon? See? Oh, he's just... he just ends up dying by the plague I gave him. So, our adventurer doesn't seem to have a bow and arrow yet. That's why he hasn't engaged with the dragon. Yep. Bow and arrow. And to get a bow and arrow, yes, you know, you just had to fight skeletons. Or to fight, you know, red mages like these, because these mages right here, they shoot up fires. Look at that. They end up killing. This is an OP compared to the last wizards that he fought. This is a very overpowered one, like that. Already has a trait of his own, like crippled, infertile, regeneration. He is fat. He is slow. So, but he still managed to kill our adventurer, and that's just the reality of this game. You just have to like work on it, you know. So anyways, that's just it. That's the idea of it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You go out there with your adventure. You guys have a nice day.